Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make a chocolate chips banana bread. This is a super yummy recipe. It's so soft and delicious. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'll be using 2 ripe bananas, mashed, butter, melted butter, with 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. So go ahead and quickly preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius while preparing the batter, because you want your oven to be hot before you bake the bread. Mix it all together and set aside, and let's prep the dry ingredients. Here's the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and brown sugar. I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below also. And now I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet. Do not overmix the flour, as it can cause excess gluten to form, which can in turn result to tough bread, so be careful. Carefully fold the chocolate chips in the batter, and remember to save some aside to sprinkle on top of the batter later. In a prepared baking pan, pour the batter and bake for about 50 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, or depending on the hotness of your oven. Sprinkle some of the leftover chocolate chips and bake. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you. Oh, look at that beauty. It's so beautiful. I love the golden color at the top. Super. Place on a cooling rack and remember to remove the baking paper at the bottom of the bread. Now you can tell how soft it is by just looking at how the knife easily, smoothly goes through the bread. It looks so yummy and delicious. And it smells super good too. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. That means the absolute world to me. And please do follow my social media. I'll leave the handles down below so you can have a look. I'm on Instagram as Maffy's Kitchen. Please follow. I'd like to get to know you better. And if there are any other recipes you would like to see, please leave in the comment section below. I'll be sure to read all the comments. So, till next time, enjoy the rest of your video and have a wonderful day.